Hey, what's going on? Hope you're doing well. My name is Sanjeev, and this is going to be a very, very cool video because in here I wanted to share with you how you can actually make daily income in the online space, especially for like busy mom and pop, right? And I've actually got three kids of my own, and so it's like a busy world that we're actually living in, like especially when you have like kids, because you probably have a full-time job, you have kids, you probably taking them swimming, soccer, and all these crazy stuff that the kids actually do, right? So that's what I'll be covering in this video, and make sure you stay till the end because you're gonna get some great value out of this video, right? So just to share with you that I am actually walking the walk rather than doing the talking, let me share my screen so I can share with you some of the payment that I've actually received today. So you can actually see that this is just happening in real life. So yeah, as you can see, the day, Monday the 1st, hang on. So hang on. What happened here? Okay, so you can see Monday the 1st of 7. So you can see the day here. And I received about $2,996.18 Australian in my account, right? And I can actually continue to show you these amounts, coming on a daily basis. So this actually came in last night. So it just got like the second. So we're going to be receiving another payment soon as well, right? So that's what I'll be sharing with you. So the process I wanted to be sharing with you, like what it actually takes for anyone out there, even though you don't have any experience, no special skills, and you just grinding day in and day out, don't have time to spend quality time with the kids and your family, but still you want to be earning on the side, have that side hustle going, and you want to be able to make enough income from your side hustle to potentially quit your job, right? That's the goal that we want to achieve. So there's literally 3 steps you need to be following. Okay, very simple 3-step process, and that's what I'll be covering in this video. So let me share my screen again so I can actually walk you through the very, very simple 3-step process. Okay, it's not that complicated. If you do this 3-step process, you're gonna start to get results with your with getting enough income coming in, so the very first thing I put in here, the product. Okay, so to make income, you either have to sell something or create something of value. Like you can actually sell something via e-commerce, or create a YouTube automation channel, or do something so you can actually sell out to the marketplace, because the more stuff you sell out to the marketplace, the more value you're actually creating, and in return you're getting income. Okay, so in here I put product, but product, I'm not saying any product. You don't want to be selling like low ticket product that pays you only $5, $2. You want to sell something that's like in high demand. Okay, very important. So I'll put in here high demand, and also it pays you a lot. Okay, high demand, and this can be also paying you a lot. Like I'm talking like 100% commission or even 200% commission. You don't want to go for something that's actually paying you like 20% commission, 10% commission, just like what Amazon does. You don't want to do that, okay? Because to actually get that freedom, we need to be earning something that actually pays us like high ticket, what we call high ticket. Okay, so product is number 1, very important. If you have the right product which is in high demand, and like everyone is looking to get that product, like just for example, if you're promoting some like make money online bizop niche, okay, so everyone out there is actually looking to earn more income, especially in the online space, because of after COVID, people are just drawn to online business because that's the only thing that was actually sustainable during that COVID time. So product, very important. So product goes into 3 categories, has into products. Okay, so that product has to be in high demand. It has to be paying 100% or 200% commission. You don't want to be going for low ticket products. And also that product, like what I actually explained, high demand, and people are looking for that product. And also it has to be paying you instantly, okay? Because I know there's a lot of companies out there where you're actually promoting their product and you cannot get that payment for like 2, 3, or even a month, okay? Has to be instant payment, okay? So after those first thing that I actually explained, product, now it goes to how do people actually discover that you have that product, okay? Discovery. Okay, so this ties into marketing. Okay, there's like a lot of different avenues that you can actually go. You can actually copy paste ads onto different high traffic platforms, you know, for free. You don't have to pay for ads or anything like that. So discovery is very important, because if people actually don't discover you, you're not going to be selling anything, right? Discovery, this can be creating short form content and uploading on like platform like TikTok, because there's like millions of people on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, can be Facebook Reels as well. So discovery, okay, and you just don't want to be putting out like random content. This has to be like a storytelling style of content. You need to be telling story so people can actually relate to your story, so that way you can actually, you're just not promoting product out there, you're promoting something that will actually change someone's life. Okay, that's how you want to be positioning yourself. Okay, so discovery goes into how people actually discover your product, and you have that product which is actually in high demand. It is very desirable by the market, and they really want this product. Okay, so this is also ties into getting traffic. This is traffic. Okay, so traffic is, there's like billions of people on the internet. So how can we get this traffic? Traffic can be, like I explained, creating short form content, posting, posting ads on high traffic platforms. Okay, and can be, you if you have a little bit of money, don't have time, you want to run ads, run YouTube ads, run solo ads, you know. So there's like a lot of different ways how you can, people can actually discover your products. Okay, so the third thing is, which is also very critical, which is automation. Okay, whatever products, programs that you're actually promoting has to come with automation, because you don't want to be just chasing around customers, following up with them. This has to be done automatically. Okay, automation. Okay, this is what we call, goes into like more in terms of leverage, how you can actually leverage this product to get it out to the market. More people can actually discover you, and when these people actually come in your ecosystem, how can you automate that? Like if they actually come in your funnel, you need to have automated emails going out to them. And most of the time these high demand products actually, they have the automated system, which is 100%, I mean, not 100%, I'd say you have to do at least 98% of the work. I mean, 98% of the work is done by the automation. You only just do 2% of the work, which is getting discovered. Okay, so these are the 3 steps which, if you actually follow it, you're gonna get results with your online endeavor. And like most of the time people actually struggle with, to actually get the traffic. We already have so much traffic, we're getting free traffic all over the internet. Traffic isn't the problem, you know. So getting the high demand products that's actually in high demand, if you put it in front of the right people, you're gonna start getting sales. There's no ifs or there's no buts. So again, hope you got some value out of this video. Let me know if you have any questions. You can actually put in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to go through that. Thank you so much, and